much for joining me for this video. So today the unboxings are coming back. So we have the first Whimsy box of the year, and there are a couple of extras in here as well. Things were a little bit different this month. So I had my normal Whimsy box subscription, and then you also got the option of adding on to your Whimsy box, and plus I ordered a couple of things as well, so it's all packed in here. I'll let y'all know what the difference is between, you know, what's Whimsy box, what's extras, and then what are the two things that I ordered. So quite a big box this month. I was super excited to get this. I've already opened it up and just moved everything to the top, but I haven't opened up the packets yet. So here we go. So this one is called Wildest Dreams, and I can already tell you this is one of the products that I just ordered. This is the white sage and lavender ritual candle, and then it's got the holographic horse on it. It smells fantastic, and you actually got a mini version of it in this month's Whimsy box if you got the Luxe extras. So I'm excited to have two of these because, oh my gosh, y'all, this smells amazing. And look how beautiful that is. She put little lavender pieces and amethyst chunks and glitter on top, and it just, oh my gosh, it just smells amazing. Cannot wait to use this. Oh, so it's amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and pull all of this stuff out. So put this off to the side, and y'all know how subscription boxes go. We're gonna go through everything piece by piece, and yeah. So I'm gonna set the Luxe extras to the side. That is a Luxe extra, and then there's some bonus stickers. Okay, so this is all the Luxe extras. So all the rest of this, I believe, comes with the regular sub box. This may not. I think this might be just an extra. Oh no, it is part of the box. Okay, so the first thing right here, sorry. It's been a while since I've done these. I'm trying to look at the little contents and see. All right, so we've got the Star Tarot enamel pen, and this it's a pretty good size, I will say. On the inside stars, it looks like you've got a little bit of glitter, and it's got silver hardware and two backings on the pen. So super cute. Once again, I believe that this is going to be part of her Celestial Follies tarot deck. So I'm excited to be able to, every month, you know, you can see what is each card, you know, as she creates it and everything. Here you've got the Cosmic Kitty 4x6 postcard print. And oh, I love her. I love the little moon on that. I used to be obsessed with leopards and cheetah print. So this is, I love that. So cute. All right. So the sticker pack, okay, this is an extra as well. I ordered one of these, the moon holographic stickers from her website. So the sticker pack here, she's got all of your stickers and the sticker ephemera, like the flake stickers in here. So we've got the Wildest Dreams textures, which are just kind of, this is like a little header, different colors, clouds and leopard print. It's pretty. And then here we've got the Wildest Dreams #1 sticker sheet. So you've got 2 versions of the kitty, some different tarot cards, roses, stars, all that good stuff. And then this is the Wildest Dreams #2 sticker sheet. I like that she included this. I think that's really cute. It's very cosmic, and then we got the kitty and the roses. Love that. So you got those 3 large sticker sheets. And then here we've got the Wild Week sticker sheet. It's got your headers, another little washi strip, little deco. And then this one has got a cloud washi strip, bunch of little roses, and some shooting stars. And then here you've got your vinyl stickers and your holographic. So the vinyl stickers include the star tarot card, and your other 2 vinyl stickers are a hand holding the rose and that beautiful cheetah in pink. And then we've got a holographic, fairly large version of the cheetah. I love her holographic stickers. I hold on to them. I'll admit that. I'm a bad sticker hoarder, especially when it comes to those holographic ones. It takes a lot for me to use one. Okay, so here we've got the ephemera pack. And these are all cardstock die cuts. So we have a moon and a blue version of our pretty cosmic kitty. And then a large lavender pink rose. And then the backing would make a great journaling card. It's just a very pastel cloud print to it. And I believe that is it for the actual Whimsy box. Now we're going to go through the Luxe extras. So you get a bonus sticker pack. Oh man, I don't want to tear that. So, I think I'm just going to cut this. Y'all know I love to keep everything, so I'm going to figure out some way to get that rose off of there. Okay. If y'all hear any noises in the background, that is my, that's my washer. Okay, so it looks like we get an extra set of the Wildest Dreams #1 and #2 sheets. And then an extra of the vinyl rose sticker. And then you also get a moon tarot enamel pen. And it's got silver hardware as well. Beautiful black and white. And then it's got 2 pin backs on it. And then you also get a mini version of the white sage and lavender candle. Here she's got all of her warnings and stuff on there. And then it's just in a little tin and sealed. But we're gonna go ahead and open it. Pooh. Kind of tore that sticker up a little bit. Still might be usable though. As with all of her candles, be sure to be careful opening them. Make sure you open them upright because she does put glitter and different things in the top. Ooh, so once again, you've got the glitter and the amethyst chunks and little chunks of lavender in there. And it smells the exact same as as the tall ritual candle that I have. And then this is an extra that I had purchased from the site. I wanted this beautiful moon holographic tarot card. And I've got got a couple of extras in there. So I've got my invoice in here too, which I don't really want to show that. And then she also stuck some extra little stickers in here. Ooh, that's pretty. Love the butterfly. One of her little unicorns and another of the beautiful rose. And then I've got 2 art prints, journaling cards. So quite a good haul, I would say. I am really excited to use all this stuff. I do really feel like leopard print is going to be in. I mean, I guess it never really went out of style, but I don't know. I've been seeing leopard print. I apologize for that, y'all. I had a phone call, but anyway, so I wanted to just let y'all know that, you know, I am going to be doing sub-box unboxings. Excuse me, I do plan on starting those back up. As far as a life update, 2020 is showing out already. So we started the year off with the flu. I got the flu, then my boyfriend got the flu. So it was about a good 2-week period of just constant sickness. But like the exhaustion of having the flu never really went away from me. And I was kind of getting to the point where I was getting a little bit concerned, and took a test, and I found out that we are expecting baby number 2. And this will be last baby forever. After this, I am shutting down shop for ever. But I'm really excited. It's a shock. I just found out a few days ago, and we've taken the time to tell family and everything like that. So there's definitely going to be some changes. We've got some situations of we honestly need a bigger house. Because the house that we're living in now is perfect for just the 3 of us. But there is no way that we would be able to have the baby its own room, and for my daughter to continue to have her own space, which I think is very important for children to have their own space to kind of, you know, escape to when they need to and all that good stuff. So that's going to be something that we are going to have to look out for. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be some changes. I'm really excited to know what the baby is. I do plan on finding out before the birth, obviously. I know some people don't really care, and I commend y'all, but I have to know, because we have to, you know, get a name picked out, get, you know, all of the toys and room decor and all that stuff. I'm really glad that I didn't sell my crib, so we don't have to worry about that. But there are, you know, different things. My daughter is 4, she'll be 5 this year, so a lot of the stuff that we had when she was a newborn has long gone. But yeah, so I'm still kind of in shock. It's hard to believe, but that completely explains why I have been so damn tired and smelling everything. Like, I swear to God, I can smell colors, and sometimes it's great, sometimes it's awful. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an update on that. So, there might be some different kinds of videos. I might do some baby hauls. I don't know. It's been a while since I've been on this rodeo. It's been 5 years to be exact, because I was pregnant with her in 5 years. It is 2020. Okay, so 5 years. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you here. And other than that, I am going to be anxiously awaiting for my pizza rolls to get here. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.